Are you tired of AI chatbots that just give you walls of text you have to copy, paste, and format yourself? Meet Tencent WorkBuddy. It's an AI native agent built specifically for everyday office professionals that delivers finished, ready to use files straight to your workflow, changing how we interact with technology. So most AI tools give you a text back. You ask a question, you get an answer, and then you still have to go and build the actual thing yourself. WorkBuddy does something different. You tell it what you need and it hands you a finished file. So this is how my morning started. I needed a comprehensive marketing report for an up-and-coming campaign. Normally, that's a solid hour of pulling things together. I just asked WorkBuddy to build it. Now, instead of writing a detailed prompt from scratch, I can also go straight to one of the built-in expert teams. WorkBuddy ships with over 100 experts across different domains: marketing, finance, research, operations. Think of it like having a digital co-worker who already knows their field inside and out. I don't have to tell it how to do the job. It already knows. And here it goes. WorkBuddy isn't typing a response into a chat window. It's actually building a document. You can watch it work, planning the structure, pulling the sections together, assembling it in real time. One feature I really like is the collection of pre-built expert teams. Rather than spending time crafting the perfect prompt, you simply choose the team that's best suited to the task. It feels less like chatting with an AI and more like assigning work to a digital co-worker that already understands exactly what needs to be done. And as the report is being created, you can actually watch the finished document come together in real time. Instead of receiving a block of text that still needs formatting, you're watching WorkBuddy build a polished file that's ready to review and use. Now, here's where the workflow becomes even more impressive. While the marketing report is still generating, there's no need to sit and wait. You can immediately start another task, in this case, creating an interactive HTML competitor comparison dashboard for the same campaign. Both projects continue running side by side without interrupting each other. For freelancers, consultants, and solo operators especially, this can be a huge time saver because you're able to keep moving instead of waiting for one task to finish before starting the next. So rather than managing one job at a time, WorkBuddy handles multiple projects simultaneously, helping you get significantly more done during the same working session. It creates a much more natural workflow that feels like having several capable teammates working alongside you. And once everything has finished generating, the transition from creation to delivery is seamless. Both assets are ready to export immediately, removing the extra steps that often come after using traditional AI tools. Instead of copying and pasting content between different applications, it delivers the finished project directly to your preferred workflow, whether that's local folders, office applications, or your team's messaging platform. Everything arrives ready to use without any manual formatting. And there, as you just saw, and there you have it, the final result. Both campaign assets are exactly where you'd expect them to be, ready to open, share, or continue working with straight away. It's a nice demonstration of how WorkBuddy doesn't just help create work, it helps finish the entire process. Of course, creating reports and dashboards is only a small part of what WorkBuddy can do. The platform includes more than 100 built-in skills that are designed to support a wide variety of everyday office tasks. Whether you're creating documents, analyzing information, or handling routine business work, there are ready-made tools available to help speed things up. And perhaps the biggest advantage is how approachable everything feels. You don't need to become an expert at prompt writing to get professional results. The built-in skills handle much of the complexity for you, making the platform easy to use whether you're a business owner, knowledge worker, or simply looking to become more productive during the working day. WorkBuddy is clearly designed with productivity-focused professionals in mind. From independent freelancers and consultants to larger business teams. Because everything fits naturally into the way people already work, it feels less like adding another tool to your workflow and more like adding another capable member to your team. Stop wasting time doing busy work your AI teammate can handle. Click the link in my description to try Tencent WorkBuddy today and start getting finished files delivered. That's all for today's video. We hope you liked it. Don't forget to hit the like button, tap subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.